Pack Studios is all about investigation, innovation, and the evolution of plastics packaging. To help our customers across the value chain better understand how using film orientation can enhance a film's sustainability aspects, we've now installed an MDO, or Machine Direction Orientation Unit, as part of our W&H 9-layer blown film line. The stretching unit has 12 rollers for preheating, stretching, annealing, and cooling films. This monoaxial stretching technology allows targeted modification of the film properties. The MDO films are designed to use as print webs, sealable films, barrier films, and more. Tests are delivering baseline data for many important properties and offering key understandings of the MDO process to establish best practices for greater efficiency and value to our customers' projects. Pack Studios Inline MDO is the only one of its kind available for research and development in North America. This distinctive capability is helping our customers discover new opportunities for high-performance films and all PE packaging designs. It also aids the abilities to design for recyclability. There's much more to explore. Talk to your Dow sales or TS&D professional about scheduling a visit to Pack Studios.